Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's nail design is based on the evil eye. I'm doing press-ons today. I already prepped the nails and used a base coat. Now I'm going in with like a nude shade. I'm gonna do 2 coats because it's kind of sheer. I am gonna be getting some new like nude shades and test those out because this one, I love it, but I have to put on so many coats just for it to be smooth. I'm also going to be selling this set, so if you want to buy it, go to my Etsy, and I do custom nails, so I have different sizes and different lengths. Here's me doing a second coat. Honestly, I could have used a 3rd coat, but this is my own personal set, so I don't care as much. But when I'm making them for other people, I'm definitely gonna make sure it is covered and perfect, because I become such like a perfectionist when I'm doing nails for other people. Now into the nail art. I'm going in with this light blue, and I'm going to be doing French tip on the thumb, pointer, and pinky. I've been doing a lot of French tip lately. I'm just trying to get it down. Here I like fill it in a little bit with the gel, and then I can just move it around with my smaller brush to even everything out. Now I'm getting a darker shade of blue and also a black and white gel. And I'm gonna start on the evil eyes. I'm doing it on the last 2 nails. And so I'm just doing 3 little eyes. 2 of them are gonna have like a dark blue like base, and then there's gonna be a light blue one. white in the middle of that. And now on the darker blue eyes, I'm putting a light blue in the center, and then on the light blue eye, I'm going to be putting the dark blue in the center. And then to top everything off, I'm going to do a little black pupil. Now I'm just checking to see if there's like gel like off the side. You can see here there was, so I just file it off. And whatever gel gets like underneath the nail, I go in later with like my e-file and a thinner bit to kind of scrape off the extra gel that leaks under. Now I'm just prepping it to put on the top coat, so I'm just using some rubbing alcohol. That's basically it. I know it's a simple video, but I also just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I'm already at 50 subscribers, and that's like so many people. I'm just so excited to have you guys here, and I hope you enjoyed. Once again, if you want this set, I will leave a link to my Etsy below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.